Hi folks, Charlie Shelton here, Zippity-Doo-Dad, back once again in the jungles of Knott's Berry Farm. We are here for MonteZOOMa, the Forbidden Fortress. It just reopened from a lengthy shutdown, and it is sunrise, so let's get on this ride. All right, it's early in the morning. Let's do this ride. Hit it. Why am I doing this at 5 a.m.? That is considerably smoother than I remember it being. That was a lot. That was a lot. But one nice feature is MonteZOOMa has restrooms right outside the exit. It's the first time I've done a coaster without Dramamine in like 5 years, so that's something. Okay, I'm feeling better now. The sun's starting to come up, so let's take a sunrise tour through the MonteZOOMa queue. They've added a lot of little skeletons and fun little hidden things. It is still dark enough where we're gonna go old school explorer style and use our flashlight. Let's go. Hi folks, I'm Charlie.
And I'm Sean.
And we are here to ride MonteZOOMa, the Forbidden Fortress, which I can never get the name right. We're gonna go on the coaster, but make sure to follow us each, your channel.
Blame it on the inverts.
And Zippity-Doo-Dad.
Are you ready?
I'm ready, let's do it.
Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, that's so much.
I love so much that you're still with your stomach going backwards.
I know.
God, everything about the new version is just so exciting. The launch, the forces, even overshooting a station.
Thank you guys so much for joining us. If you enjoyed this, we've got a lot more coming to the channel. We are kicking into high gear for the Halloween season. So I'm going to be back here next week for the Nightmares Revealed event, getting ready for Scary Farm. I've got Halloween Horror Nights coming up. I did Universal Horrors Unleashed in Vegas. Just a lot of stuff coming your way from now through the end of the year. Thanks for stopping by.